Download the latest version of the software from the website www.elywell.com. Once you register on the website, you'll be able to download the update from the software section. Click on System and go to Upgrade. Click Choose File and upload the file you downloaded from the website. Select the microSD destination. Please wait while the file is loading. Click Install this version. By default, all data is retained. Check the box if you want to perform the installation with a complete data wipe. Click Install. The process will take a few minutes. Wait for the installation to finish. The software has been successfully installed. The device will restart automatically. The restart will take a few minutes.